What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the many ways you can use the word in your daily life. I know grammar might not sound like the most thrilling thing in the world, but trust me, we're gonna make it fun, we're gonna make it exciting, and by the end of this video, you'll be using in like a pro. Whether you're an adult who wants to brush up on your grammar skills, a student trying to ace those English tests, or even if you're just here for the fun of it, this video is for you. We're gonna break down the different ways we use in with super clear examples, so you can walk away feeling confident and ready to use this little word in all sorts of situations. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's jump right into the wonderful world of the word in. Alright, let's kick things off with the most common use of in, talking about location. This little word is incredibly versatile and can be used in so many different contexts. When we use in to talk about where something is, we're talking about something being inside or enclosed by something else. Think about it like a container. Anything that can hold something else can be described using in. You put your phone in your pocket, right? It's a simple action we do every day without even thinking about it. Your pocket is the container, and your phone is inside it. This is a perfect example of how in works in our daily lives. Here's another example. The keys are in the drawer. We use in to show that the keys are enclosed within the drawer. The drawer is our container and the keys are tucked away safely inside. This helps us understand their location precisely. See, it's all about that relationship of being inside something else. This concept can be applied to so many different scenarios. It could be a physical space like a room, a building, or even a city. These are all places where in can be used to describe location. I live in New York City. Boom, location nailed it. This shows how in can be used to describe where you live. But here's where it gets even cooler. In isn't just for physical spaces. In can also be used for less defined spaces. These are spaces that don't have clear physical boundaries, like, I'm in line at the grocery store. Even though there's no physical walls around that line, you're still within that designated area. There's no physical walls around that line, but you're still within that designated area, right? This shows how in can be used in more abstract ways. And get this, you can even use in to talk about someone being included in a picture or a photo. It's a great way to describe who is present in a specific moment captured in time. Hey, check out this picture. You can point out exactly where you are in the photo. I'm in the back row next to the really tall guy with the hat. This helps others locate you within the image. See, in is all about being present and accounted for within a specific space, whether it's a box, a city, or even a photograph. It's a small word with a big impact on how we describe our world. Now that we've got locations down, let's talk about how in can be our very own time machine. Imagine being able to travel through time with just a single word. Sounds fun, right? This little word can also tell us when something is happening. It's like having a magical key to unlock different moments in time. It's all about indicating a time period in the future. Whether it's a few seconds from now or several years down the line, in helps us pinpoint exactly when something will occur. The most common way we use in for time is when we're talking about something happening after a certain amount of time has passed. It's like setting a timer for life's events, like dinner will be ready in 30 minutes. This means you have a half hour to do whatever you want before it's time to eat. That means you've got 30 minutes to watch Sandy K's awesome videos before you have to go eat. Perfect timing for a quick entertainment break. But it's not just about minutes, oh no. In can be used for any time frame you can think of. You can use in with any time period, seconds, hours, days, weeks, months, even years. It's incredibly versatile. The new Avengers movie comes out in 2 months, I can't wait. Mark your calendars because it's going to be epic. See, it's all about looking ahead and seeing what exciting things are happening in the future. Planning becomes so much easier with in. And here's a bonus tip. You can even use in to talk about a general time of day, month, or year. It's a great way to describe recurring events, like, it's always colder in the winter, this helps set the scene for the season, or, my birthday is in July. A perfect way to let people know when to celebrate with you. See, in helps us paint a picture of when things happen in the grand scheme of time. It's like adding a timestamp to our memories and plans. So next time you're talking about the future, remember the power of in. It's a small word with a big impact. It's a simple word, but it can transport us through time with just a few syllables. Embrace the magic of in and see where it takes you. Chapter 3. Hold on tight because we're about to level up our in game. We've talked about location, we've tackled time, and now we're diving into the world of expressions. That's right, in can add a whole new layer of meaning to our sentences by expressing emotions, states of being, and even someone's physical condition. Let's start with emotions. You can use in to describe someone's mood or feelings, like, he's in a bad mood today, so maybe don't ask him about his homework, or, she's in love and it's so cute to see. See how in helps us understand what's going on inside their hearts and minds? But it's not just about feelings, in can also describe someone's physical condition. I'm in pain after that workout. Or, he's in good shape for his age. See, in gives us a glimpse into their physical well-being. And here's where it gets really interesting. In can also be used to talk about someone's state of being or situation, like, she's in trouble now, or, he's in charge of the entire project. See, in helps us understand their role, their circumstances, and even their level of responsibility. Chapter 4. Alright, team players and social butterflies, this chapter is for you. Get ready to dive into the world of inclusion and belonging, because we're about to unlock the power of in for inclusion. This tiny word holds a lot of significance. That's right, this little word can tell us who's part of the group, who's on the team, and who's in the know. It's a simple way to show connection and unity. The most straightforward way we use in for inclusion is when we're talking about being part of a group or organization. It's like a badge of belonging. Like, I'm in the school play this year, I'm playing a tree, it's a way to share our roles and contributions. Or, she's in the chess club, she's really good. It highlights skills and interests within a group. See, in helps us identify who belongs to what group. It's a marker of identity and association. But it's not just about formal groups. In can also be used for more casual gatherings or activities. It's versatile and inclusive, like, we're in a band together, we practice every weekend. It's about shared passions and hobbies. Or, they're in a study group for the big history exam. It's about collective effort and teamwork. See, in helps us understand who's collaborating, who's working together, and who's sharing a common goal. It's a word that fosters cooperation. And here's a cool trick. You can even use in to talk about being included in a conversation or activity. It's a way to invite and welcome others, like, can I get in on this game? It's a friendly way to ask to join. Or, hey, what are you guys talking about? I want in. It's about curiosity and engagement. See, in helps us express our desire to be part of the action, to join the fun, and to be included in the loop. It's a small word with a big impact on our social lives. Chapter 6. Get ready to unlock the next level of in mastery, because we're about to dive into the world of idiomatic phrases. These are phrases where in takes on a whole new meaning, adding a dash of color and personality to our language. One of the most common idiomatic phrases with in is in a nutshell. This means to summarize or to put it simply. Like, in a nutshell, the movie was about a talking dog who goes on an adventure to find his long-lost owner. See, it's a quick and catchy way to get the main point across. Another popular one is in the long run. This phrase means over a long period of time or eventually. Like, in the long run, investing in your education is always a good idea. See, in helps us think about the bigger picture and the long-term consequences. And there you have it, folks. 5 fun and easy ways to use the word in like a pro. We've covered everything from location and time to expressions, inclusion, and even idiomatic phrases. Remember, language is all about expressing yourself and connecting with others, so don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and make these words your own. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and I'll see you in the next one.